Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving, and don't forget National Heritage Day as well. I want you guys to remember and be close to friends and family if you can, and think about what you're thankful for the rest of this year and for this new year coming up. For me, it's definitely time. I appreciate time given with family and friends. I treasure time with family that I've lost. It's very, very important to me. So I just wanted to share with you guys this set for Thanksgiving Day that I'm wearing today. And this is a Makartt Polygel set. And I have Gorgeous Girl nail stickers on and some stamping and some stones from AliExpress. Here's what the snatched kit looks like. This is a polygel kit. It comes with lots and lots of goodies, guys. So if you haven't grabbed it yet, please go snatch it up. I know Makartt has some awesome Black Friday deals for tomorrow, so check them out. And if you can, use my code. I'll have it below. Enjoy your day, guys. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, that's okay. Hopefully you get something good to eat anyway and spend time with family and friends. Or what else you like to do. Maybe you want to do a new set. Let me know, and I will love to chat with you down below in the comments and check out your channel as well. So thanks again for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.